Hey everyone, Anil here and welcome back to another video of Power Apps, and today we are going to discuss what is Power Platform. So Power Platform is that low code and no code tool that is provided by the Microsoft and enable user to build custom applications, automate the business process, analyze the data, visualize the data, create chatbot without relying heavily on traditional development. What does that mean? Because Microsoft Power Platform is totally different from other tools. Like without creating a heavy code, you can create custom applications using the Power Platform. What kind of component Microsoft Power Platform provide is, so there are six component that Microsoft Power Platform provide. First is Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, Power Virtual Agent, and Power Pages and Dataverse. What is Power Apps? In this course, we are mainly going to cover Power Apps and our focus is on Power Apps. So Power Apps build custom apps for desktop and mobile and tablet also. How you can create this? So once you will go for make.powerapps.com, you will see this kind of view, but might be if my video is going to be watched later, like 1 or 2 years later, this dashboard, this page can be changed, but things will not be changed. The concept will remain as it is, so you can learn whenever you want. Whenever you will click on create, you will get few options. Start with Copilot, start with data, start with page design, and start with the blank applications. These three options I will let you know in my next video, but for now I will go for start with a blank canvas app. And here you will see three options: responsive, tablet size, and phone size. The same thing it is going to show you. Build custom apps for desktop and mobile device. This responsive will work on desktop, tablet, and phone. And here you can see the tablet size. If you are looking a application is specific for the tablet, you have to choose this option, or looking for phone size, you have to choose this option. Now if you will see here, we can see the benefit of Microsoft Power Platform. Accelerate app development. Build in a day, not a month. Exactly. This statement is 100% correct and 100% true. How? I will show you. Suppose I'm going to create a responsive application. I will just click over here. It will give me a edit environment, a studio environment where I can drag and drop the controls, and without writing a heavy code, I can create my application. And this application, I can connect with variety of data sources, multiple data sources. But if you are working with other applications, what you have to do, if you are going to integrate other applications with your applications, or like other data source with your applications, you have to write APIs, you have to go for authentication, you have to find out multiple things, like how you can connect, how you can get the data, how you can pass the authentication, how you will get the token. But in Power Apps, nothing. What you have to do, you'll have to just go here, click on add data, and here you can see we having variety of connectors over here. You just have to click on a connector and automatically you will get all the data over here. You just need to pass your authentication over here. That's it. It will easily connect with other applications. Now we having tables, and you can see here are some default tables, that is Dataverse. I will show you what is Dataverse. I was talking about like the controls. Here we having drag and drop controls. I'll show you. If I will click on date picker, you can see my date picker is ready. I will run this application and I can see my date picker is ready. I can choose the date over here. Got it? But in other applications, if you are going to create any kind of control, you have to write 1,000 line of codes. Then this control will be available for you. Now here, if we are going to create a create a new screen, just go over here, click on the screen, and here you having different kind of screen structure: meeting, calendar, people, email, landscape, tutorial, success, whatever is your requirement. For now I will click on the blank screen, and on the blank screen I will go on insert, and I will show you a magic over here. Click on this edit form, drag your edit form, and just maximize it. You can maximize, minimize, the form as per your requirement. Now if I want connect this with account data, account table that is in Dataverse, just forget for now what I'm speaking, like Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, Virtual Agent, Power Pages. Don't be confused, because we are going to cover everything step by step and everything in the details. For now we are going to create Power Apps complete course, so everything step by step we will cover for a Power Apps. But in my later sessions we will cover Power Automate, Power BI, Virtual Agent, Power Pages, and whatever is in Power Platform. Okay, so just listen, and if you are not able to understand, comments me, I will reply over there, I will create a new video for you. But stay tuned and stay connected. Now you can see the form has been created within a minute, with not within a minute, within a second. I can go for default mode as a new, click on this run button, and you can see my form experience has been created on my screen. In other application, to create the form you have to write 1,000 line of code, then this form got created, and it will not take a minute, not a day, it will take to create a week. Because this form, if you will see here, account name, if I'll type string, if I'll type number, we can provide everything, we can provide the validations also over here. Okay, now suppose if I'm going to type string, it is not taking the string, it is taking the number. Okay, and if you want to submit the data, how it will react, okay, how much time it will take to submit the data into the table. I will just write form1 and submit form and form1. Whenever I will run this form and I will type over here, I will enter the data into the form and click on the button, it will submit the data. Yeah, data has been submitted. So it's taking us few seconds to generate the form and submit the data into the table. So that's the reason it is saying Power Apps, the key benefit of Microsoft Power Platform: accelerate app development, build in a day, not a month. No low code solutions that we checked already. This is low code solutions. For inserting the data, we just write single line of code and the data has been inserted into the table. Cross platform support. What do you mean by that? App work on mobile, tablet and web. We have checked already. This application will work mobile, tablet and web also. How? Let me show you. If I will go on make.powerapps.com, okay, and here I have created one application. I will show you. So let me show you my inventory management system. This application I build responsibly, and this application will work in a tablet, in a mobile, or in a laptop or desktop, or any kind of resolution, whatever you are looking. So for now, this is the dashboard, and this is my product screen. Okay, so I will show you this dashboard in the mobile. Okay, so this is my mobile. Let me click on the desktop, dashboard, and you can see my reports is coming now vertically. Before that, this was coming horizontally. Okay, and this also is coming vertically. Okay, so this is the beauty of Microsoft Power Platform. We are getting, application that will work into the tablet, into the phone, and into the mobile. And one more thing I want to show you, this application will work in a mobile also. So let me show you. And here is one application, Power Apps. This application you will get on Play Store and App Store. If you are an Android user, go on a Play Store. If you are a iPhone user, go on an App Store. Click on this Power Apps. So whenever you will click on this Power Apps, whatever application you have created, you will get all the applications over here. Okay, all the applications over here. So this application will work in the Android and in the iOS also. Okay, so now let me click on my first application, and this is going to be open into the mobile. Okay, now if I will click on the login, it will work as expected. So the real world use cases, HR, like create a lead management system in with Power Apps, finance, sales, and custom support. So I hope you love this video. If you love this video, then stay tuned, stay connected, and subscribe my channel. Thank you and bye bye.